It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. So on today's DIY, we're going to take this orange pumpkin that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see here, I have painted mine using the Rustoleum chalk paint in the color white. And I am actually mixed it with some of the glossy Mod Podge, and I am just giving it a coat of the paint. I will be going over it several times. I kind of was just winging it with this DIY. I am so ready to start crafting for Christmas and the winter months that I can't take it anymore. One more week of fall crafting, and as you can see, I am using my heating tool to dry the paint. As I've stated before, make sure when you're creating DIYs that you're creating them based on your color palette of your home. Now I'm taking some of these gems, these heart-shaped gems, emerald gems, and I am putting them in the grooves of this pumpkin. Now you can choose to put these all over. That would be really pretty. I have done that in the past, but I again was just going off the flow of my brain, and just trying to bring a different look to this. And that Celery chalk paint by Waverly just wasn't doing it for me, so I decided to just paint over the emerald gems because I needed to mute it because it was standing out like a sore thumb. And so I just put a coat of the chalk paint on top of it, and then you will see me drying it. Later on, I'm going to take a baby wipe and wipe off the chalk paint. I know, but hey, I was just in the moment. This is one of those question mark DIYs for me. I can't say it's one of my favorites at all, but hey, somebody might like it. And I am just, as I stated before, I am taking that baby wipe and I am removing the white paint off the top of the gems because again, I wanted to mute it so that it wasn't standing out so boldly. And overall, I think it's looking halfway cute. But I was creating another DIY to go along with this one. You will see it on Thursday DIY upload. I am uploading this one a little late. I had a lot to do yesterday and just could not get it up. But as you can see, I am going over the bottom of this pumpkin, the bottom half, using the Celery paint. And it is a Waverly brand paint, and I'm trying to get it, as smooth finish as possible. And then I said, let's paint it every other one in black. I thought I was doing something, y'all. And then I kept looking at it and I was like, I just don't like it. I just think it's not attractive. And so you will see me taking eventually a baby wipe to remove the black paint. And I just wasn't feeling it. I had a lot going on this day. We're working on my journals, and then I was like, let me get these DIYs done, and all this was going on in one day, so I had a very productive day. And as you can see, I said, well, let's take some of that sisal rope, and we're going to put it in the middle at the grooves where it connects the top half to the bottom half of the pumpkin. And I am just outlining that with it. I am not going to burn it, which you know that's a rarity with me. And then I decided to, as you can see here, add a raffia bow that I had taken off another DIY or another item from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm taking some of these sprigs that I purchased from Michael's, and my whole goal was to do a green and white DIY with a little splash of orange. And overall it's okay. Not my favorite, but it's okay. And when you see me bring it all together, when I upload the third one, you will see. But overall, it's still cute, guys. Yeah, it's cute. But tell me what you think. I just wanted to give you some other type of inspiration. You can take this and build on it, but my mind is on crafting for Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. But guys, thank you for rocking with me. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. And if there's nothing else, I'll see you Thursday on the next DIY. Bye.